Who's the moment thing? So my dad just line up the fireworks, and my sister's scared of the fireworks. Don't worry. Oh, again. It's going again. Come on, little baby spark. Oh, it didn't just.
No, my dad
It didn't work.
No.
It didn't work. Oh my! This is a sad disbelief. This is an utter disbelief. My sister is scared of these, and these. Oh, that was so sad. They didn't work. Oh man. So that was sad. Oh my. Oh no. Oh, now my hand smells like egg. No, Simon, that was very amazing. So I'm going to close the shed lid, and it was very spectacular. No wonder to smell. No wonder. But it still was amazing. And I'm still waiting.
Alex, I put your once lifetime experience video.
Tati, pusa termina. So bye guys, and my sister Emily was scared. So bye guys. And they're talking about me being a YouTuber, by the way.